Hello students, today we are going to learn our new lesson, lesson number 14. I have made a mistake. Moral science lesson. I have made a mistake. So let us get set to read our lesson. All of us make mistakes. There is nothing wrong with that. If you know that you have made a mistake, you feel sorry. You say you are sorry. You know that you will not make the same mistake again. It is not easy to admit that you have made a mistake. It takes courage to face the truth. It takes courage to say sorry. But once you say it, it is easy. You feel so happy. When you do not want to admit that you are wrong, you try to hide the mistakes. In order to hide the mistake, you tell lies. Maybe you tell many lies. That is wrong. Other people will be proud of you if you show the courage to admit a mistake. Your teacher will be proud. Mommy, daddy will be proud. Your friends will be proud. Do not be afraid to admit the truth. When you admit that you have made a mistake, it means you are speaking the truth. You are ready to correct yourself. You are courageous. You do not let others get angry with you. You make others follow your example. So this lesson speaks about whenever we make mistakes, we need to say sorry. We should not hide. Everyone makes mistakes, but we should not hide. Here the girl breaks the flower vase and she goes and tells her mother. So whenever we make mistakes or whenever we break something in the house, we need to tell our parents. We need to tell our mother that you have broken something in the house. We should never keep quiet or tell lies. So if we tell lies, then we have to tell many lies. So it is wrong. So we have to speak the truth. Because it is not easy to admit that you have made a mistake. It takes courage to speak the truth. But when you speak the truth, you will feel so happy and you will be able to face people. So if you tell the truth, other people will be proud. Your mother will be proud, your teacher will be proud, your mommy, daddy will be proud, your friends will be proud. So do not be afraid to admit the truth. When you admit that you have made a mistake, it means you are speaking the truth. You are ready to correct yourself. You are ready to change yourself. You are courageous and you will not make others angry with you. Hello students, let us learn a moral science new lesson, lesson number 15. I thank you. Thank you. These are two small words, but this means so much. When someone helps you, it is your duty to say thank you. We thank God for everything, don't we? We must also thank others when they help us. We must be grateful. When you fetch a glass of water for daddy, he says, thank you. When you open the door for the teacher, she says, thank you. When your little brother picks up your book from the floor, you too must say thank you. It does not matter who is older and who is younger. It is the duty of every person to say thank you. If you help a passerby, he says thank you. He does not know you, but he is grateful to you for your help. So he thanks you. You do not have to know someone to say thank you. These two small words are so easy to remember. These are so easy to say. Here we see, in this lesson, the lesson speaks about good etiquette. That is to say thank you when someone does something good to you. When someone helps you, we have to say thank you. So they are two small words, but this means so much. If someone helps you, our duty is to say thank you. Also, we need to thank God for everything. We must also thank others when they help us and be grateful. Here we see a girl carrying book. One book falls down and the boy carries it up. And the girl has to say, when the boy gives the book to the girl has to say thank you to this boy. Here the boy says thank you. So here we have daddy. You have given water to your daddy. Daddy says thank you. So here we have, when you open the door for the teacher, she says thank you. So when your book falls down and your little brother picks up, you have to say thank you. Everyone has to say thank you. Old people as well as young. All have to say thank you when someone does something good for you. It is the duty of every person to say thank you. Even the passerby have to say thank you when you help that person. He does not know you, but he is grateful to you for your help. So he thank you. So you do not have to know someone to say thank you. We need to say thank you when someone helps us. It is good manners. These two words are so easy to remember. So when anybody helps us, we have to say thank you. We have to have this good manners. If somebody does something good to you, helps you, we have to say thank you. So here is an exercise. Say yes or no for your answers. When you say thank you, you are showing off. No. You are not showing off, but you are saying thank you to that person because you have good manners. So you are grateful to that person. It is a trick to say thank you. No, it comes from you. It is not a trick. Third one, when you say thank you, you are being grateful. Yes. Older people do not have to thank younger people. It is no. Older people also have to say thank you to the younger people. Fifth one, are you in the habit of saying thank you? Yes. We say thank you when somebody does something good for us. So student, you have to read this lesson and also do your exercises on your moral science textbook. And we have sent all the lessons, exercises on the WhatsApp. So please do complete your moral science textbooks, fill in the blanks and say whether the following statements are right or wrong. So study well, do your exercises and be safe. Bye.